Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to Living Your Best Life 101, where you'll find workouts that are perfect if you're over 40 and want to lose weight, improve muscle tone and enhance your overall health, fitness and feelings of well-being. The full body workouts are the well-fit classes that I teach on the beach. They last between 45 and 60 minutes and they include cardio, strength training and core and back strengthening exercises, combined with beginner yoga and Pilates, lots of stretching and even some mindfulness and meditation. There are 4 different workouts, one with dumbbells, another with a resistance band and the other 2 we just use our own body weight. Each workout follows the principle of progressive overload so that you're challenged and assured of making fitness gains throughout the 6-week block. They have everything you need to tone up and burn fat, stay fit and flexible and have a few moments of mindfulness, gratitude and positivity. And if you pushed for time, don't worry. There are also some shorter workouts that focus on just a single aspect of the full body workouts, so you can concentrate on your desired fitness goal regardless of time constraints. To complement the workouts, you'll also find healthy food recipes and ideas for healthy balanced meals to help you lose weight fast and increase your energy levels so that you feel fit and well. If you sign up to become a member, either free or paid, you'll be able to take the Well-Fit quiz, which takes about 2 minutes to complete. And based on the answers you give, you'll receive your personal exerciser profile and your Well-Fit action plan that shows you which workouts you should do for the following 12 weeks. If this sounds interesting, then click on the link to the website, which is in the description, then click on the sign up button in the header menu, fill in the details, and I shall see you on the inside. And if you're not quite ready for that yet, then why not check out some of the other videos here, and if you like them, then hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And hopefully we'll be working out together, getting fit and feeling well very soon.